Hey there, Google Sheeters, Google Sheet users. Let's see here. In this video, we're going to do a quick tutorial all about how to get notified anytime a change is made to a Google Sheet. Google Sheets are super powerful. You can have obviously multiple collaborators. They're all stored online, of course. And so with multiple collaborators, it's great to know as soon as edits are made to a sheet that you might be using. It might impact your workflow if people make edits. So Google has a really nice built-in notification rules function, which simply allows you to set up a notification should anybody make a change to the sheet. So I use this in the real world. This is a client of mine right here. This is actually real data. Client of mine, Metier Brewing here in the Seattle, Washington area. We use this to as their beer locator data records. So anytime they add a new location where their beer is available, they simply come in here, make an entry in a Google Sheet. They can turn it on or off for any particular location. And anytime they make a change, it notifies me. So I get notified via email instantaneously as soon as they make a change. And the really cool thing about this is when I get the change, when I receive that email, I can look to see exactly what was changed. So in the email, you get a couple links here. The first one says, see the changes in the Google document, beer locator info, click here. But this is, you can also open the current version. But I'm gonna look to see what changes were made. So I click that top link here. I can just go through here and I gotta find the highlighted sections. Here it is, all the way down at the bottom. So it looks like these specific changes were highlighted and I can see exactly what was done. So it looks like they're adding in some new locations. So it tells me, it notifies me that these are the changes that are made. I then have a separate workflow where I go off and update their website to account for these new locations for their beer locator. So this is super cool. So how do you get this set up? It's super easy. So within Google Sheets, you just simply go to Tools, Notification Rules, and I've already got a rule set up here, so it says if any changes are made, then send me an email. It sends it to me, my email address. Anytime any changes are made, there's no forms on this particular Google Sheet, so this doesn't apply. And then you can opt to have it either email you a daily digest of all the changes, or I can be emailed right away. And then here I chose to get emailed right away. So I'm going to close that out. So this is very useful. I can get notified instantaneously and then go through my workflow and edit their beer locator information. And if you're curious, you can check it out here, metierbrewing.com/beer-locator, and you can see this is what I end up doing with the data. So it's on an interactive map. I think I'll do a separate tutorial all about how to create interactive Google Maps, and I actually have a product that does this as well. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this and you want to learn more about Google Sheets or maybe even more about web development, like, subscribe, comment. I would love your comments. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.